In day trading, Trendline can be used to confirm an entry and increase the probability of successful trade. Let me show you an example. This is the 10-minute chart for Euro on July the 29th. Let's first draw the levels and the London Open on the chart. Around the London Open, the market has been testing R1 but failed and goes down, and then makes a low here. And then it pulls back here. We're not quite sure whether this is a lower high or it's gonna make a higher high, but it pulls back here. At this moment, taking a look at this part, we can see the market is now moving very fast, and then probably it is a trading range day behavior. So since after the London Open it's making a low, so the buyers should be downside. So we are prepared to trade short and go down. When you see this shallow pullback, you should be prepared to trade short. And also we can use the trend line to confirm the entry if you are still uncertain for the downside. Here is the trend line. This is the start of this leg up, so this is a very good point. And then we have the two double bottom here. It's on the same line, so this line probably will become a valid trend line. So when we see a trend line on the other side, there's a high probability the market will go to test it. So that's why when we see this signal bar, this bear bar is a very good signal bar. We want to trade downside and then put our target at the trend line here. Or if you're conservative, you can put your target at this PP level here as well. Later on, when you see the market is making a minor high here, and then it pulls back to test the PP level, but reverse right away. So this bull bar can serve as the signal bar, so we can go long. The thing is that the whole day seems to be a trading range day rather than a trend day, so that's why this reversal is valid setup. To confirm the entry, you can use the trend line again. The same logic. There are two highs here, and then there's another high, so we draw a trend line to connect these 3 points, and then we can see that the market goes to test this top trend line again. So that's why this trend line can confirm and increase the probability of a valid entry.